for Cano on the run. Snares it. He's going to break the back of a Blue Jay rally here in the 4th inning. A broken bat, bid for a hit, is taken away by Robinson Cano. We come back. Russell Martin will lead it off for the New York Yankees, who trail by a run. Good play by Cano.
Remember when you were a kid? You liked getting dirty and building things? There were no limits. You could move mountains. The John Deere 1 Series subcompact tractor. The way grown-ups move mountains. And with AutoConnect implements, it's the easiest tractor to use yet. What would you create?
All right, mate.
Get 0% financing on the 1 Series, starting at $11,096.
No. No.
Approved call center. It used to take weeks or months to get license. Now people can buy a termite policy with a single phone call.
Congratulations! I just completed the new policy. Now, please.
He likes it. Does he believe it?
Perform by the world's cutest, cutest musician ever. Did I mention he's cute?
He's not supposed to do that.
Call 1-888-BAT-LIFE for a free quote today.
More people are leaving BMW, Mercedes, and Lexus for Audi than ever before. For exceptional values on the Audi A4, visit your local dealer today.
Everyone, Bob Lorenz with your Audi update. Red Sox and Rays at the Trop, and in the top of the 3rd, already leading 2-0. Boston's Cody Ross. 0-2 pitch from Matt Moore. Dead center field, and DJ Upton's going to run out of room. Solo shot, 7th on the year for Ross. Now 3-1 Boston. Bottom of the 4th. Back to Kenny and Al.
Thank you very much, Bob. Some news and notes around Major League Baseball. The Cleveland Indians, 4-game winning streak. They lead the American League Central. David Wright, 411 batting average, leads the National League. He's had himself a good year. And Jim Johnson, we just saw him, 14 saves, leads the Major League Baseball. Closer for the Baltimore Orioles.
How about that? Just those 3 teams. David Wright had a heck of a start of business. The Cleveland Indians with the league in Central.
Russell Martin takes his strike from Drew Hutchison. David Wright had a good year. Starting tomorrow night. Coming in to play the Jays. In case of New York, or Toronto. Russell Martin on the ground at Encarnacion, who snares it and steps on the bag for 1 out. So Russell Martin is now 2 for his last 27. Now back at the top of the order. Derek Jeter, who is 0 for 2. Attempted to bunt, he bunted it back to the pitcher in the 1st inning, then was called out on strikes in the 3rd. Yankees trailing 2-1. Some good pitching by Phil Hughes at the bottom of the 4th inning. Held the score to 2-1. Broke 2 bats, get the last 2 outs. Jeter hits one to the right field. Coming on is Bautista, and he makes a great stop, but he's in for a base hit.
Wow. That's a triple. Would have been. Batista coming in hard, thinking he has a shot at catching this. If he doesn't swat it, the ball down. Look at this. Be able to stop that baseball. That's rolling to the wall. Committed fully to catch that ball in the air, realizing, uh-oh, I better keep it in front of him.
You know, that's his skills as a 3rd baseman coming into play on that play. It's a great point, yeah. Here's Anderson, who's walked in doubles, 1 for 1. High fastball, ball 1.
Yeah, sure.
Curtis with 13 home runs. Ground ball towards the middle, and by Kelly Johnson into center field for a base hit. Jeter's going to stop in 2nd. And the Yankees have back-to-back hits with 1 out here in the 5th inning. just got underneath Johnson's glove.